So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB CRK exam revision series, we have here these 20 JAMB repeated questions to answer on the topic Mission of the Disciples. So in short, stay till the end of this video. Let's go ahead and start with the first question here. It says, go near the Samaritans, nor the Gentiles, but to the lost house of A, Israel, B, Judah, C, Jerusalem, D, Jacob. So guys, the answer to this question is option A, that's Israel. So let's proceed to the next question, guys. So we have your question number 2. It says, what kind of man was elected to replace Judas Iscariot? We have A, a supporter of religious liberty, B, a critic of the Jews, C, an opponent of the religious leaders, D, a co-witness of the resurrection. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here, a co-witness of the resurrection. So let's proceed to the next question, guys. So yeah, the next question, question number 3 says, according to the account of Matthew, the mission of the 12 was to A, Gentiles and Israelites, B, Gentiles, C, the Lordship of Israel, D, every city of the world. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here, the lost sheep of Israel. So let's head on to the next question, guys. We have your question number 5. It says, the harvest is plentiful, but the laborers are few. Jesus made the statement above during the A, commissioning of the 70 others, B, mission of the 12, C, Sermon on the Mount, D, triumphant entry. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here, that's Sermon on the Mount. And that's it for this question. So let's head on to the next question, guys. Over here we have question number 6. It says, Lord, who knoweth the heart of all men, show which one of these two thou hast chosen to take the place from which Judas turned aside. Who were the two men referred to in the statement above? We have A, Joseph and Barnabas, B, Justus and Barsabbas, C, Joseph and Justus, D, Justus and Matthias. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here, that's Justus and Matthias. And that's it for this question. So let's head on to the next question, guys. So over here we have question number 7. It says, according to Luke, the 70 were sent out as dash among dash. We have A, lamb among wolves, B, sheep among wolves, C, horse among wolves, D, wolves among wolves. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here, that's sheep among wolves. And that's it for this question. So let's head on to the next question, guys. Over here we have question number 8. It says, one of the following was not considered as a criteria for the selection of the 12th disciple. A, taking care of the needs of the Christian community. B, possessing the gift of speaking in tongues. C, witnessing the baptism of Jesus Christ by John the Baptist. D, witnessing Christ's resurrection and ascension. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here, possessing the gift of speaking in tongues. So that's it for this question. Let's head on to the next question, guys. So question number 9 here says, the 70 disciples who were returned from their missionary work were told by Jesus to rejoice because A, the spirits were subject to them. B, they were well received by people. C, they preached to many people. D, their names were written in heaven. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here, their names were written in heaven. So let's head on to the next question, guys. So over here we have question number 10. It says, he who hears you hears me. He who rejects you rejects me. This was addressed to A. The disciples during the Sermon on the Mount. B. The 12 whom he set out to preach. C. The 70 whom he sent out to preach. D. The disciples just before the ascension. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here. The 70 whom he sent out to preach. So let's head on to the next question, guys. Over here we have question number 11. It says, his office let another take. The statement above was in reference to A. Barnabas, B. Ananias, C. John Mark, D. Judas Iscariot. So guys, obviously the answer to this question is option D here. That's Judas Iscariot. So let's head on to the next question, guys. Over here we have question number 12. It says, in the mission of the 70, Jesus told them that they were being sent out as sheep among wolves, implying that they would A. be as meek as sheep, B. properly equipped for the missions, C. encounter difficulties, D. be sent to live among wolves. So guys, the answer to this question is option C. They would encounter difficulties. And that's it for this question. So let's hand on to the next question. We have here question number 13. It says, in the Gospel according to Matthew, the disciples could not heal the epileptic boy because A. they did not pray enough, B. the boy's father had no faith in them, C. they had little faith, D. Jesus was not present. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here. They had little faith. And that's it for this question. So let's proceed to the next question, guys. Over here we have question number 14. It says, Jesus' objective for sending out the 12 was A. to divert the attention of Herod from himself, B. to train the disciples in his ministry, C. for them to teach the Gentiles about God of the Jews, D. to demonstrate that he was about to be crucified. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here, to train the disciples in his ministry. So that's it for this question. Let's head on to the next question, guys. We have here question number 15. It says, in the synoptic account of Luke, Jesus instructed that when the 70 entered any town, they should do all but one of the following. B. eat and heal the sick in any town they were received. B. preach in the cities of Bethsaida and Capernaum, saying, the kingdom of God has come near to you. C. carry no purse, bags, sandals, and greet no one on the road. D. greet each household, saying, peace be to this house. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here. Preach in the cities of Bethsaida and Capernaum, saying, the kingdom of God has come near you. So let's head on to the next question, guys. So guys, question number 16 here says, according to Jesus, the 70 disciples should rejoice because A. of the fall of Satan from heaven like lightning, B. because of the submission of evil spirits to them, C. because their names were written in heaven, D. because their faith and zeal were increased. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here. Their names were written in heaven. So let's head on to the next question, guys. So we have here question number 17. It says, which of these instructions was given to the 70 and not the 12 on missions? We have A. go from house to house. B. dust your feet. C. greet no man by the way. D. take not your bags. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here. Greet no man by the way. So let's head on to the next question, guys. We have here question number 18. It says, before the disciples casted the lot, and chose Matthias to replace Judas Iscariot. The other candidate they had was A. Joseph, B. Matthew, C. Barnabas, D. Paul. So guys, the answer to this question is option A, that's Joseph. So let's proceed to the next question, guys. We have here question number 19. It says, according to Mark, what was the only thing the disciples wasn't forbidden to take for their journey? We have A. Bread, B. Staff, C. Money, D. Bag. So guys, the answer to this question is option B, that's staff. So let's head on to the next and last question, guys. So over here we have the last question, question number 20. It says, when they returned from their mission, the 70 reported that A. Even demons were subject to them. B. Their needs were fully met. C. Even Samaritans accepted their message. D. They saw Satan fall like lightning. So guys, the answer to this question is option A. Even demons were subject to them. So that's it for this question. And this is where we'll end this video for today, guys. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question in the comment section below and we'll be sure to give you a response. So finally, guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we'll post major updates on JAMB examinations. So you can join this channel community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video. See you on the next one.